for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security alarm, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, off-road package, tachometer, panic alarm, Sirius Satellite Radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.